business is what you're dealing with. Because
So,
I
yeah.
know around that same time there, you also got into sewing and fashion designing and stuff like. So how did that actually come into the play now? Because there's music and then there's fashion. How did you get into fashion?
All right, put it away. When the music hot in our brother, we are talking about man like Tiger, we are talking about man like Pinchers. We are talking about some of the artists. That's all them time there was fashion, bro. And like nowadays we see them look hip hop artists, yeah. We say them a dancehall artists, bro. Jamaica they have them own look, own culture, bro. So you find, you know, growing up in a cheese and money. And guess what? You have a thing when you September morning, and that make me start sewing up. And telling me about turkey, then it's when you go to school, bro. And you in a old uniform, and the rest of man them come in a new uniform. And me's a man from morning, a girl me saying a king. The girl in my business back with the man them in the old uniform king. So me I say, what is? And I when school over now, me hear said that man gonna walk yard with girl and the one they gone, and guess what? I never nothing more than the fact that the man in uniform new. Me say, this not happen to me next year. Me just start learning to sew, man. Cause anything they enclose, brother. The way me get bad now the sewing at the age of 13, me I sew for teacher, bro. I start a lunch money that. Me I sew for the teacher, them thing. Me I sew for student. So when me go to school, I'm money on top of money. Me tell you say I'm money for all, man. So I suck when me get involved in the sewing part. Now, me glad to take on the sewing because I realize that, yo, when you are going to dance them, and you see Radigan them come, and some serious dressing, you know, brother. You see Tiger them rolling, you see, yo, you have a brother when you Pinchers, let me tell you. Me used to make every suit where Pinchers make, and then guess what? Used to have two Tailor we come from our ends, bro, Maxfield. Right after Chisholm, they saw Biggie and Little. Biggie was a Tailor. And I him so for the whole of the artists, and then guess what? Biggie and Little are twin.
Okay.
So me being a twin now, me said, they no store me for so too. I remember me and Biggie, come here the one of the bigger body. You know, say me and Biggie, they not Biggie me pitoni in. So Biggie right away, me know I was city man in a brother. Them time they, you know. I'm inspired because me hear Tiger them everybody a big up Biggie. I mean know say Max feeling come from for real. So me I say, you know, me I go be cheese and Biggie. So me go start so, and then guess what? Me start so up with three artists, bro. We are talking about Everton Glenda, we are talking about Determined, we are talking about Capleton, we are talking about Sizzler, bro. So much artists from my sofa directly. Back in them time they found. As a juvenile.
Even a man like Capleton. How did you link with him? Capleton's a man I've never really seen like in a jeans pants or like a normal shirt. From his shoes to his hat.
The man they make everything, but watch out now. Capleton is a man way. He did have his own designer from morning, but he's a fear man, brother. You see Capleton? Let me tell you this. Half of a Capleton for you. I'm talking about financial gain, financial riches in UAI. I one of the kindest man me ever know in my entire life, bro. Capleton never need me for so female. But you see, if you know, say you so, because them time we are roll with them, you know. Remember, say, we are Miguel and the whole of the all over the place. So once the man get to know you, see, a Jah Cure didn't let me know Capleton. Because Jah Cure used to live over here at Chisholm Avenue.
What?
Yeah, man. When we got came, man, and we and Jah Cure living at the same yard, brother. Because my mother love him. She called him Little Dread. Little Dread couldn't run, but she'd have murder with any little thing. Little Dread couldn't run, man. Little Dread can come in any hours a night and pull her again. Oh, Little Dread. Them boy around there. But make we come in at certain hours now. Very nice. So your friends say now, them time of Jah Cure, what are we at juvenile for? And Jah Cure was that little street youth, bro. Little street. From them time, I know say that have psychological problems, you know. Well ignorant, you know. Streets can make it too hard, you know, bro. All right, they don't know say streets can make it so hard, they all get rich. And not even notice they rich. Why do you think enough man get rich and the streets take them life same way? Because them not even know say, yo, you reach a level you don't need certain things. So from them time there, Jah Cure, make me know Capleton. And I make him know say, yo, I'm here so the whole of the bad suit and for him. So get to Capleton, I go do. Support you, bro. Capleton support everybody. If Capleton cupboard full and you go there with food, him buy and give it to him. Real Rasta, bro.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusica.com.